Have you ever wondered if there's a simpler way to start investing in your 20s, one that doesn't require a finance degree, a six-figure salary, or hours of research? A way to put your money to work for you, even if you're just starting out, juggling student loans, or simply feel overwhelmed by the complexity of the stock market. If you've nodded along to any of those questions, then you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into Acorns, a micro-investing app that's changing the game for young investors, and we're going to explore exactly how you can use it to your advantage throughout your 20s. Let's be real, investing can feel like a secret club, with its own language of ETFs, mutual funds, dividends, and market caps. It's intimidating, and that intimidation often leads to inertia. We tell ourselves we'll start when we have more money, when we understand it better, or when the market is just right. But here's the truth, the best time to start investing was yesterday, and the second best time is right now. And for many in their 20s, Acorns offers a remarkably accessible on-ramp to that journey. So, what exactly is Acorns, and why is it particularly well-suited for someone navigating their 20s? At its core, Acorns is a micro-investing platform that rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the change. Think of it like a digital piggy bank that automatically invests your spare change into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. But it's so much more than just roundups. Acorns also allows for recurring investments, offers retirement accounts, and even provides educational resources to help you understand the basics of investing. Now, why is this so powerful for you, specifically, in your 20s? For starters, the concept of roundups is genius because it removes the psychological barrier of finding money to invest. You're already spending. Acorns simply turns that spending into saving and investing without you even noticing a significant dent in your immediate cash flow. This is crucial when your budget might be tight, you're building an emergency fund, or you're paying down debt. It's an almost effortless way to automate your wealth building. Secondly, Acorns simplifies diversification. Instead of picking individual stocks, which can be risky and time-consuming, Acorns invests your money into portfolios of ETFs. These ETFs are essentially baskets of various stocks and bonds, meaning your money is spread across many different companies and asset classes. This built-in diversification helps reduce risk, a vital concept for new investors. Acorns guides you through a few simple questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and then recommends one of 5 diversified portfolios, from conservative to aggressive. This removes the guesswork and the need for extensive market research, allowing you to confidently put your money to work. Let's break down the practical steps of getting started with Acorns in your 20s. The first step is to download the app and link your primary checking account and any credit or debit cards you use regularly. This is how Acorns tracks your purchases for the Roundup feature. Don't worry, your financial information is encrypted and secure. Once linked, Acorns begins automatically rounding up your transactions. For example, if you buy a coffee for $3.50, Acorns sets aside 50 cents. Once your roundups accumulate to $5, that money is automatically invested into your chosen portfolio. Beyond roundups, the real power of Acorns for young investors lies in setting up recurring investments. While roundups are a fantastic way to passively invest, they might not be enough to reach significant financial goals. This is where setting up a weekly or monthly recurring investment comes in. Even something as small as $5 or $10 a week can make a massive difference over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest. In your 20s, time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing. Every dollar invested early has more time to grow and compound, snowballing into a much larger sum by the time you reach retirement or other financial milestones. Consistency trumps quantity in the early years. Now, let's talk about the different types of accounts Acorns offers, and which ones are most relevant for you in your 20s. First, there's the standard Acorns Invest account, which is your basic taxable brokerage account for general investing. This is where your roundups and recurring investments typically go. It's flexible, meaning you can withdraw your money at any time, though it's generally recommended to invest for the long term. This account is great for building up a general investment fund that you might use for a down payment on a house, a future large purchase, or simply building wealth. Then, there's Acorns Later, which is their retirement account. This is incredibly important for anyone in their 20s. Acorns Later allows you to invest in either a traditional or Roth IRA. Without getting too deep into the tax intricacies, a Roth IRA is often highly recommended for young people because you contribute after-tax money, and your withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Given that your income in your 20s might be lower than it will be later in your career, paying taxes on your contributions now could be a smart move. Even if you can only contribute a small amount, starting a retirement account in your 20s is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. The compounding effect over 30, 40, or even 50 years is truly astounding. Acorns also offers Acorns Checking, a checking account with a debit card that integrates seamlessly with your investment accounts. It offers features like direct deposit and smart deposit, which can automatically transfer a portion of your paycheck into your investment account. This further automates your saving and investing, turning it into a truly set-it-and-forget-it system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.